Fog envelopes the place where Negros Oriental Governor Roel Degamo and several others were killed in Pamplona town on March 4. It's quiet and cold. Bullet marks on the walls are the remaining proof of the gruesome murder that took place here. For now, only policemen and the caretakers are allowed inside. A far cry from that fateful day when 10 armed men freely entered the Degamo compound and brazenly assassinated the unsuspecting governor. Joint Task Force Negros says among their priority is to dismantle all the private armies in Negros Oriental. The task force clarified this is not to single out Congressman Arnie Teves, who was tagged as the mastermind in the killing.
We don't see personality, whether personality A or personality B. Ang mandate naman sa amin is malinaw, any armed groups.
Justice for Roel Degamo!
The governor's widow, Pamplona Mayor Janice Degamo, is also seeking justice for all the victims of impunity in the province. She says as early as 2020, she reached out to senators to have the spate of killings in Negros Oriental investigated.
Sumulat kami kay Senator Bato along with other senators to investigate abuses, killings na wala ring nangyari. Hindi lumalabas sa local media. Walang katarungan na naibigay sa mga namatay at sa mga inabuso. Huwag na lang tayong magmaang-maangan dito. Si Congressman Arnie brags about what he can do and how he can do it.
The Degamos are also being linked to killings that include the case of slain journalist Rex Cornelio. Cornelio was shot dead by still unidentified men riding a motorcycle in May 2020.
The Cornelio case, I went to USEC, you ask EGCO. I went to USEC EGCO bringing with me that letter, asking him to please tell the wife that if she really wants to find out the true cause of the death of her husband, she has to cooperate with us. Kasi sa Senate, hindi mo pwede, you cannot cover, walang cover doon, walang ano doon. Pero ayaw nila. Nagtataka ako, ba't gustong-gusto nila si Roel talaga ang may gawa?
The Senate is set to conduct its own probe into the murder of Governor Degamo. No schedule has been announced so far. From Negros Oriental, George Cahiles, CNN Philippines.